चैनल। सो इन अ फ्यू डेज़ मैं कहीं जाने वाली हूँ और वो जहाँ पे भी मैं जा रही हूँ वो आपको नेक्स्ट में आने वाले वीडियोस में पता चल जाएगा। तो टिल देन आज इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ क्विक सेगमेंट विथ यू विच इज पैक विथ मी सेगमेंट, एंड आई हैव पैक्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माई बैग एंड ऑल द थिंग्स आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू राइट इन दिस वीडियो। सो अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है देन जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड क्लिक द बेल आइकन फॉर माई ऑल द नोटिफिकेशंस ऑफ माई वीडियोज़, एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो इफ यू लाइक इट very much, and also don't forget to share. So now let's begin with what I have. So first of all, let's start with the accessories thing, and I have packed like 2 compartments as you can see. So these both, let me show you what is in this one. So as you can see, it has my palette. I have taken this palette because this is like very tiny and very easy to pack palette, and what the thing I like the most is that कि मैं इसी palette में से अपना blush, eyeshadow, everything I can do from this छोटू सा palette only. So I'm going to take this palette. Then I'm going to take some of my rubber bands because this are necessary for a girl. So I'm going to take all my rubber bands. Like in that I have some clutches also. So yeah, then I'm going to take my nail paints also. I'm going there for almost a week, so I have to be prepared. So I have taken these both as my nail polish because जो कपड़े मैंने लिए हैं I think they should fit in it. So yeah, and of course nail polish remover wipes with me so that I do not face any type of problem. And for accessories, I have taken this dabba. It has all my accessories, earrings and chains and all that things, rings and all. So yeah, this is the dabba. And I also have a छोटू सा cute mirror in it because I think आप अपने साथ एक compact mirror लेके हमेशा चलो because you never know if you need somewhere where you can't find it. So yeah, this was great. Then let me show you this. So yeah, this is like a hard disk cover. तो ये मैं किसी काम में नहीं आ रहा था, so I thought to make it like my makeup purse. So in this I have kept my compact powder and my lip balm as well, and I have kept like all my lipsticks also in this. As you can see, these are my lipsticks. And if you want to take this cover, the link will be down, so do not forget to check it. And now coming to the next. So next compartment में I have like a full pack of brushes, eyeliners. So ये इसमें मेरे सारे brushes है, eyeliners है. Then I have is my perfume, very important. So ये basically skincare के बारे में है. As I told you in my like hair care video that I do oiling every time. So yeah, छोटू सा oiling. Then I have my cream. So cream is like very moisturizer, is very necessary. So yeah, इसमें moisturizer है. Then I have a छोटू सा face wash. I think this much is not enough, so I'm going to take one more little bit medium size का face wash. Then I have my underarms roll on by Rexona. It's like I just need it, and जहाँ पे मैं जा रही हूँ वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, so you just have to take it. Then I have again a छोटू सा mirror. As I said, I am a fan of like छोटू से mirrors, so I keep them every near me, and a watch also. This I'm going to actually wear and go there. Then coming to the next thing, of course I'm going to take a nice shoulder bag with me, because sling bag मैं basically लेने वाली हूँ. And the thing in it is कि इसमें मेरा मोबाइल एंड चार्जर जो है वो बहुत ही ईजीली आ जाता है. एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग टू कीप अ पेयर ऑफ ईयरफोन्स ऑल्सो विथ मी, सो दैट आई एम गोइंग with train, so I want to be every time comfortable. Then I have this pouch. So in this pouch I have my all electronics, like power bank and my earphone. So actually I'm going to take the mic also with me, so क्योंकि मैं वहाँ पे vlogging I think I will do vlogging, so I have to take the mic also with me, so I'm going to take the mic also. Then the most important thing, which is the sanitizer. Okay, this is also going to be in my sling bag. So yeah, sanitizer, and then and all my mask, because you never know कि मतलब कब आपका mask जो है change करना पड़ जाए. So yeah, and for each day I have the mask. Then some handkerchief, because I think for a girl it's very important to be hygienic and very organized. So yeah, some handkerchief. Then the most important thing is that कि मैं जहाँ पे जा रही हूँ वहाँ पे भी I have to attend my online classes. So the thing is that I'm going to take my iPad with me, not computer, but I'm going to take my iPad, which is in this cover. So yeah, my iPad and even my headphones with me, because you need all the necessary things for the packing. So yeah, then coming to the clothes now, because yeah, every single thing is out there and we are just left with the clothes. So yeah, so I have a pair of cap with me, because वहाँ पे as I said कि वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, so I need a cap. So yeah, cap. Then I have a towel also. So yeah, a towel. Then I have this very good pair of palazzo and kurti, because these are very very thin material kind, and it's very comfortable to wear in summer. So as I said कि वहाँ पे बहुत धूप है, वहाँ पे बिल्कुल ठंड नहीं है, so I'm going to wear this jewelry and I'm going to carry this with me. And then I think अगर हमें बाहर actually we are gonna go out, because मैं जब जा रही हूँ, जब मेरे भाई का बर्थडे भी आ रहा है, so for that reason I take that clothes like my black jeans, and I've taken only one pair of jeans because we are gonna go out very very less, because corona चल रहा है, तो I don't think I'm gonna go every single day out, so I'm gonna take only one pair of jeans, and yeah, 2 pairs of my tops, which is like all are cotton material, because cotton is very comfortable. As I said, I want to be comfortable on my waist. So yeah, this t-shirt with me, it's very good. It has embroidery work and sleeves and in the front also, so it's very comfortable as well. Then I have my shirt, which is this is a cotton shirt. Okay, so yeah, my shirt, I just love ये शर्ट मैंने बहुत कम बार पहना है, must say. So yeah, I want to wear it there. And then I'm going to carry one pair of extra joggings, because जब आपने jeans पहना होता है, you're not comfortable sleeping in it, so I think one pair of one joggings. And then I have two pair one pair of my clothes. So this is the down and this is the up t-shirt. I think ये आपने मेरे काफ़ी वीडियोस में भी देखे हैं ये वाले कपड़े, because I love to wear these because these are very cottony material and winters and even in summer they work for me. So yeah, I'm going to take this also, and I'm going to take one more pair which is like this. These ones are my favorites and these are like more very comfortable. So ये जो है ना, it's a type of koti, if you tell me. It's a type of koti and this is a plain blue t-shirt and this is the, you know, half pants, half panties. So yeah, they are very comfortable during summers. And yeah, I think yeah, this is all what I'm going to take with me. So yeah, I just forgot to tell you about my lingerie. So I'm going to take actually मैंने अभी तक पैक नहीं की है lingerie, but let me tell you the exact thing कि मैं कितनी लेने वाली हूँ. So I'm going to take 3 of my sleeves. So 3 sleeves, and with the 3 sleeves I'm going to, you know, take 3 bras and 3 underwears, and that's it. I'm going to take for my lingerie. And yeah, if you like the video, do like it, and if you do not like the video, give it a thumbs down, let's be honest. And also do not forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel as well, and press the bell icon for all the notifications of my videos. And till then, goodbye. Let's meet in the next vlog or video. So till then, goodbye.